To Homa Bay County ane koro jalar kom governor ma Homa Bay Evans Odhiambo Kidero koro kwa jopiny county no mondo mi obi owuog oko ka rom gi Rwako Raila Amolo Odinga e limbe mare bende koro chano timo e county onogo. Kanoloso kod ute fwambo, Kidero lero ni en gi geno ni Raila Amolo Odinga koro dhi bedo ker mar abich e pacho ka, omiyo jotelo duto te wuog oko mar kwayo ne ombulu.
Great week for us, and it's still going to be a great week because we are expecting the visit of His Excellency, the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya, Raila Amolo Odinga, to visit our county, Homa Bay County. I would like to welcome him very, very warmly to our county, and it's great because he's coming probably for the last visit before he becomes the president of our great Republic of Kenya. I would like to urge all the residents of Homa Bay, the 1,039,000, the 551,000 voters who are here, to turn out in large numbers to welcome our 5th President of the Republic of Kenya. I would also like to ask Raila Amolo Odinga, our incoming president, to thank on our behalf the role that President Uhuru Kenyatta has played in uniting the Kenyans and in being wise and seeing far by supporting, giving unwavering support